Hey, busy bees. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get into it. Hey, y'all. Let me make sure this is turned up. Okay, so I did not know. I listened to one of my videos afterwards because normally I just kind of go live instead of actually doing a video and editing and all that kind of stuff. I'm like, I'm not. That is it, Mama. That's Buster Moon.
Christmas, Buster Moon.
My baby wants Christmas and Buster Moon, and I don't know what Christmas and Buster Moon is. I wish I was live and somebody could tell me what Christmas and Buster Moon is. But whatever it is, she knows what it is, and I have no clue. Okay? But I did not know, and y'all know y'all should have told me, that sound quality was down some. So, because I only normally just use my AirPods. So, this is what I have. Okay? So, I'm going to see how this goes. So, I'm going to try to go ahead and get this unboxed and get set up, and you can hear what I sound like now, and we're going to see what we sound like in a minute. I had to try to, so we're pulling everything off together. Let's see how this works. Let's see. All right, we got instructions in a little plastic case. It's in there. Okay. All right. Let's see here. All right. That's the seed. All right. That looks like the little microphone. And I guess this goes into, sit down. No. That goes probably into my phone, probably. So on the inside, it has like little pouches everything was in. That's where that one little microphone was just at. Let's see.
Papa Shark. Papa Shark.
I guess that's the clip. Looks like it. All right. And then, of course, you have this little pack we're going to throw away. Oh, we got something else. And another little clip. All right. Let me see if I can figure out how we're going to put this together, okay? So, alrighty. Stuff I'm trying to figure out. That goes with this microphone. So we can get y'all some better audio. Alrighty. And it has a QRS code on here for me to scan. It don't make no sense to me. Yeah. I need, step 1, 2, 3, this is what you do next. And it has the steps on here. But it's like, put this to this. Well, I don't know what, give it to mama. If I don't know what this and that is, and you don't have it written out of, hey, marked off that that's what this is, I don't know what it is. So, yeah. Looks like a little mini camcorder from back in the day, but look how little that is. Look at my hand. Super little. I like that it's little. I love little stuff though. But, yeah. I kind of slid that off the bottom right here. And this slides right back in there. Okay. Pops off. Alrighty. So let's see. So little magnets. I got everything in here wrapped up good. Okay, so this is like the little base for it to sit on. So let's try doing all that first. Getting everything unwrapped. There's another charging spot. So let's see here. So that I know now, that's where these two go. There we go. They're super soft. on the bottom. But again, it's super soft. I like that. Yep. So it has a clip. And I can put on the top. That's where it just came off of. Okay. And look, y'all, it's kind of magnets on there. I like that. Same thing with that one. This is mic 2 because it lit up. All right, so it's 1 and 2. That comes on. This is on. That little button right there, that little light rather, that's on. And then this is 2. So this is letting me know that this is mic number 2. Awesome. It's saying I need to take this off and put, and it has an arrow on it. That arrow right there. Alrighty. And it's saying I need to slide this in. Alright, let's slide it in backwards. Or what are we doing? Yep, because that's the arrow right there. Going this way. So, alright, I heard it click. Alright, and then this is supposed to go in the phone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.